Hey guys, this is Chester from TwinFlex, and today I'll give you a quick 360-degree tour of One World Observatory. The SkyPod elevator brings you over 100 stories high in 47 seconds. There's a very nice LED show of the transformation of New York City as you go up. Once up, you get your $1 million IG and FB shot. Before we flex on, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Show your support. Once up, you'll be greeted by this 360-degree climate-controlled space that can stimulate your senses. Let me just remind you that every window is Instagram worthy. This is the north orientation. TwinFlex explored the 360-degree view using the digital skyline guide. I think we used the all-inclusive, which is $63 per person. This gives you the iPad guide to the city, and I'll show it on the right hand of the screen for you to see on how it works. A TwinFlex tip would be to bring a friend with you so that person can show you where the landmarks is, the names of the building, and whatnot. Otherwise, use the iPad to guide you with the landmarks. Just make sure you put the right orientation if it's north, south, east, or west. That's it, folks. Hope this video helps, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to TwinFlex. It helps us grow. If you're an adrenaline junkie, try going to the edge where you're up 1,131 feet walking on glass. Flex on, baby.